where is the office of Exclusiva Island? Such a frequently asked question, and today I'm going to give you just a little sneak peek of what we are preparing. The team is already waiting for me, so let's go. I mean, just only look at this hallway. Isn't it classy and professional? Hey guys!
Hi!
How are you? Let's go. Don't give too much details. A little bit of secrecy. And don't jump on the elevator.
Please, why not? Look, this is how we are coming.
Now jump. Quality. Safe.
Push the
1,
window.
2, 3. It's not ready yet, but that's the reason why we are here. Oh.
Wow.
You like it?
It's so bright.
And we have here a little
Where's the fruit?
this is something with blue in.
Oh, okay. What, food or champagne or what
For the
is
drink.
priority?
Everything has priority. Food, champagne, everything. So, guys, what we discussed before. Sofa.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice picture frame. Board over there. Lounge chairs. One big table for 6 people.
Okay.
We will have the TV here.
What's that?
Yeah. And that's it.
I like the words there.
Here we should do some curtains, foil. So you buy furniture,
Yeah.
you buy TV, curtains, decoration, chairs, champagne.
To celebrate.
Smiles.
That we can welcome the people in a homely environment. So if you want to see how the office will turn out eventually, follow us on our pages, so you will see the end result.